to love it.
Great.
So take a look at this. With this two pulse pads.
Okay.
So
Miguel, are you filming this?
yeah, I was
Okay.
about to ask it.
Okay. Yes,
And this is cool because we're going to do like a mirror. So we are starting to be a mirror. You have asked the same that I was about to ask. Do you know about the mirror ritual?
No.
You don't know about the mirror ritual? You will love it.
Okay.
Let's do it. Have you ever done it? Of course not, because you have never heard about it.
No.
So let's do it. You have to put your hands like this. Okay, and now you have to do the same things that I do. Okay, let's put your hand like this. No. This. We're a mirror. We are a mirror.
Okay.
Whatever I do, you do.
Okay.
Whatever you do, I do. That's amazing. Let's do something. With deposits, okay? I would like you to pick this deposit like this, as I do here. Yeah, pick it. Great. I'm going to grab a Sharpie. You already have a Sharpie. Okay, let me open it. Oh, open
Okay,
it.
no.
Yeah. And you are going to draw whatever you want at the count of 3. Remember, we are a mirror. So,
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
I'm very bad at drawing. Sorry.
I'm even worse, so don't worry. Okay, I've done it. Have you finished?
Yes.
Great, so give it to me. You take this one. Please, peel the paper and take a look at the drawing.
Wow.
I tell you.
It's really good.
I tell you, and I also told you that I'm the worst ever drawing, even
Wow.
worse than yours.
No, but it was really good. It's
But
amazing.
it is because we're a mirror, so you draw back, I draw back.
Yeah, I think I know how it works, but
Yes, you know how it works. I
But
mean, you have done the gimmick.
the
so,
idea is so different from all the
but
others.
anyway, you know how it works.
It's
There's
really
some
good.
parts.
No, congratulations. I love this. So normally this is done with electronics.
That's the thing. I mean, people will think that this is done with electronic because you are the king of electronics.
But it's not, I promise.
But it is not.
It's really, really good. A great concept.
I
I've
really
never
like
seen.
it. For me, I don't know for you, but for me, this is the best effect of the project. What do you think, Miguel?
It's the best.
I
It's the
think so.
Miguel approval.
If Miguel,
Yeah,
if you have approved it and Miguel have approved it, that's great.
that's best.
This is the first.
Really good.
Thanks so much, mate. Thanks so much.
Yeah.